Hello guys, today's committee is estimates committee. Previously we have studied different committees and what are the committees, standing committees, ad hoc committees that are present in the Parliament of India. So today we are going to discuss estimates committee. So let's see, estimates committee, it was formed on the recommendation of John Mathai committee. It was set up in 1921. Okay, what are the functions of estimates committee? To examine the estimate included in budget and suggest economies. Okay, it's a continuous economic committee. Okay, estimates committee is continuous economic committee. So what is the structure of this committee? So all 30 members are from Lok Sabha. Okay, so this is most important thing while learning estimates committee, that all 30 members are from Lok Sabha. So how are the members of this committee are elected? So members are elected by proportional representation by single transferable vote for 1 year. Okay, so keep in mind that members are elected by proportional representation by single transferable vote for only 1 year. So most important thing that you should keep in mind is no minister is elected and the chairman is elected by the speaker. Okay. So let us see the functions of this committee: to report economies, improvements in organizations, to suggest alternative policies, to suggest as money is laid out within the limits of policy implied. Okay, it's not necessary to examine the entire budget. Estimate of any 1 year can be examined. Demand for grant may be voted despite the committee had made no report. Okay, so these are the functions of the estimates committee. So let us see what are the criticisms of this committee. Okay, so the most important criticism that has been laid is it examined the budget after it has been laid. So it's like post-mortem report after the budget has been laid before the parliament. The estimates committee look after the budget. Okay, the second one is that it can't question the policy which is made by the government of India. Its recommendations are advisory. So this should be kept in mind while studying. Its recommendations are advisory only. There is no CAG expertise. Okay, and hence due to this all criticisms, the report, it's post-mortem report is said. Okay, so we should keep in mind that studying while studying for the estimates committee, criticism is most important also, and functions and the structure of this committee. So let's revise once again. All 30 members are from Lok Sabha. This is the important thing. The next one is no minister is elected. Okay, and the third one is that its recommendation are advisory. So let's meet in the next topic, and in the next lesson we will be discussing. So till then, have a good day.